Hello and welcome to today's lesson on the substitute function in Excel. I'm excited to dive into this with you because the substitute function is incredibly powerful when it comes to modifying and cleaning up text in your worksheets. Whether you're dealing with messy data, adjusting text values, or preparing reports, substitute can save you a lot of time and effort. So, what exactly does the substitute function do? In simple terms, it allows you to replace specific text within a cell with something else. This is especially helpful when you want to clean up data, remove unwanted characters, or replace text dynamically in your formulas. And unlike the Find and Replace tool in Excel, the substitute function works inside formulas, meaning any changes you make will update automatically whenever the source data is changed. That's the beauty of it. Let's walk through an example so you can see how it works. Imagine we have a small table with some data in it. In one of the cells, we have a number with a hyphen, and we want to remove that hyphen. The substitute function is perfect for this. First, you'll type equal substitute. Now, you'll notice that there are three main arguments to fill in. The first one is text, which refers to the original text or the cell containing the text you want to modify. In this case, we'll select cell B5 because it contains the number with the hyphen. The second argument is old text, which is the text you want to replace. Since we want to remove the hyphen, we'll type a hyphen in inverted commas as the old text. The third argument is new text, which is the text you want to replace it with. If you want to remove the hyphen completely, you can leave this empty by typing just two quotation marks with no space between them, which tells Excel to replace the hyphen with nothing. There's also a fourth argument, instance number, which is optional. This determines which occurrence of the old text you want to replace. If you leave it blank, Excel will replace every instance of the old text within the cell. For now, we won't use this argument, so we'll leave it out. Once you've entered the formula, hit enter and voila! The hyphen is gone and the text is now updated. It's that simple. But let's say you want to replace another character in the text. For instance, if you want to replace a comma with a hyphen, you can follow the exact same process. Just type the comma as the old text and a hyphen as the new text. Excel will automatically update the cell with the new character. Furthermore, you can also replace hyphen with space. Let's see how to do this. We have hyphen in our data, and I want only space here instead of hyphen. For this, type equals substitute. Select the B7 as text argument. Then I'll type hyphen in inverted commas as old text and space in inverted commas as the new one. Now, our formula is ready. Press OK, and you can see that we have now space instead of hyphens. You're not just limited to replacing characters or spaces. You can also substitute text with other text. For example, imagine you want to replace numbers in your data with a specific phrase like Pink City. To do this, you type the number you want to replace in the old text argument, and then type Pink City as the new text. Once you press enter, Excel will replace all instances of that number with the phrase Pink City. This opens up so many possibilities for customizing and manipulating your data. The substitute function is incredibly useful when it comes to cleaning up data, modifying text, and dynamically replacing content within your formulas. Whether you're removing unwanted characters, changing text, or even replacing numbers with words, substitute makes the process quick and easy. It works on both text and numbers stored as text, so you can use it in a wide variety of scenarios. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing.